Welcome everybody to the Scent Adventure. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we have our documented scent specialist, Cuddles, the African Grey. We're taking a look at Crystal Skull Apothecary. This is a new launch of a small business right here. These are the brands I really love showcasing and bringing to you on the channel. But this one has an awesome concept behind it. They're adding stones and crystals and some herbs to their women's roll-ons and their men's beard oils right now. And some people believe that there's energies and properties tied to stones and crystals, and those energies and properties may or may not benefit you in your life. So having them added to the oil may or may not bring something extra to these products. But regardless of all that, I think that they look really cool in the bottles, having the different stones in there. And I think these could actually make some really cool gifts. So we're not going to break down scent profiles and smell these and tell you how these things work or if they don't work. We're just going to dive into this package I got, see how the presentation is, take a look at some of these products, and we'll go from there.
Okay, so this is what we got here. Some cool stickers in this little pouch. It came in this nice box right here. We've got 6 roll-ons here for my wife that have some really cool assortments of stones, crystals, and herbs. I don't know if you can see all those or if I'm just flopping you all around, but those look awesome. Then I have 4 beard oils that we're going to be taking a look at. We've got the god of the sea, Poseidon. We got Ares, the god of war. We've got the god of love over here, Eros. And we have the god of the sun, Apollo. Judging from what I got right here, I think this brand is off to a good start. As you can see, all their labels, their bottles, the presentation, their stickers, their boxes, everything is really nice. What do you guys think of this presentation? Let us all know in the comments down below. I look forward to trying these out and bringing you guys a full review in the near future. We'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.